Hi mga kasoldering! For today's video, ang papakita ko namin ay
117-1 cloth bag screwdriver kit Kingsdan KS-800170. Description: 1 handle aluminum alloy plus PP plus TPR. Yan po. And one short crowbar. Short plastic crowbar.
So yan guys, ayan yung short plastic crowbar. Yan.
Meron din po tayong long plastic crowbar.
So guys, ito naman ang ating long plastic crowbar.
Meron din po tayong small cleaning brush.
So guys, ito naman ang ating small cleaning brush.
Kasama po yan sa ating cloth bag. Meron din po tayong ESD-15 thick tweezer. Yan. Meron din po tayo bending telescopic rod. Ayan. Nabe-bend po yan. Ayan.
So yun guys, nagbe-blend siya oh. Diba? Ang galing.
Meron pa po tayong isang handle para sa ating screwdriver. Pangalawang handle po yan. Meron din po tayong extension rod. Meron din po tayong suction cup para po pangsabit. Yan, dinidikit po yan. Meron din po tayong triangle paddle na 6 na piraso. Meron din po tayong 156 screwdriver bits. Yan po, napakadami po niya. Dami po siyang screwdriver bits.
So, Ate Jen, what is the use of 170 in 1 cloth bag screwdriver kit Kingston KS-800170?
The Kingston KS-800-170 or 170 in 1 cloth bag screwdriver kit is a comprehensive tool set that includes a wide variety of screwdriver bits and accessories for multiple applications. Here are some common uses of Kingston KS-800170 170 in 1 cloth bag screwdriver kit. 1. Electronics repair. The set is ideal for repairing and maintaining electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, cameras, and gaming consoles. It includes precision screwdriver bits for disassembling and reassembling electronic gadgets. Number 2, appliance repair. It can be used for fixing small household appliances like toasters, coffee makers, blenders, and more. The set provides a range of screwdriver bits to handle different types of screws commonly found in appliances. Watch repair. The kit is suitable for watchmakers and enthusiasts for repairing and adjusting watches. It includes specialized screwdriver bits for opening watch cases, replacing batteries, and adjusting watch bands. Number 4, eyeglass repair. It is handy for fixing eyeglasses, sunglasses, and other optical devices. That set includes small precision screwdriver bits for tightening screws. replacing nose pads, and making adjustment to eyewear. DIY projects. The screwdriver kit is versatile for various DIY projects at home or in workshops. It can be used for assembling furniture, fixing toys, repairing bicycles, and other DIY tasks that involve screws. Computer and laptop repair. It is useful for opening up computer cases, replacing hardware components, upgrading RAM or hard drives, and performing maintenance on desktops and laptops. Automotive repair. The set can be used for basic automotive repairs and maintenance tasks that involve screws, such as changing oil filters, replacing interior trim, or installing car accessories. Crafting and hobby projects. Craft enthusiasts and hobbyists can utilize a screwdriver set for crafting projects, model making, woodworking, and other intricate tasks that require precision screwdrivers. Overall, the Kingston KS800170 or 170-in-1 cloth bag screwdriver kit is a versatile tool or set that is essential for a wide range of applications, including electronics repair, appliance repair, watch repair, eyeglass repair, DIY projects, computer repair, automotive repair, crafting, and hobby projects.
So, yun lang guys. Available po ito sa aming shop and huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you!
Salamat!